Hello students, we are doing chapter number 8 indices exercise 8. In previous video till question number 30 already we have done, and in this video we are starting from question number 31. So if cube root of a to the power 6 b to the power minus 4 is equal to a to the power x b to the power 2y, find the value of x and y where a and b are different positive primes. It means a and b are the different numbers, and we have to compare left side and right side to find out the value of x and y. So we have cube root of a to the power 6 b to the power minus 4 equal to a to the power x into b to the power 2y. Cube root means we can write it as power 1 by 3. So a to the power 6 b to the power minus 4 whole to the power 1 by 3 we can write it, equal to a to the power x b to the power 2y. So this power to the power means we have to multiply a to the power 6 into 1 by 3 b to the power minus 4 into 1 by 3 equal to a to the power x b to the power 2y. Here we can cancel out a to the power 2 b to the power minus 4 by 3 equal to a to the power x b to the power 2y. We can compare the same base. Here a to the power 2, this side a to the power x. It means x value is 2, and here b to the power 2y, and this side b to the power minus 4 by 3. So it means y value is minus 4 by 3 divided by 2. You can cancel with 2, it will be minus 2 by 3. Next question number 32. If p plus q to the power minus 1, p power minus 1 plus q power minus 1 equal to p to the power a, p to the power q to the power b, prove that a plus b plus 2 equal to 0, where a and b are different positive primes. So we will start from the given thing. We have p plus q to the power minus 1, p power minus 1 plus q power minus 1. This is equal to p power a and q power b. So first, with the help of this given condition, we will find out the value of a and b, and then we will substitute here. This we can write as 1 by p plus q to the power 1, and this we can write as 1 by p plus 1 by q equal to p to the power a, q to the power b. Here we can take LCM. LCM will be pq, and we will get here q plus p. So p plus q or pq plus p, that is same, so we can cancel out this one. This we can write as p to the power minus 1 q to the power minus 1 equal to p to the power a, q to the power p. If we compare both the side, then we will get a value is minus 1 and b value is also minus 1. Here a and here minus 1, here b, here minus 1. Now we can substitute here. Therefore left hand side we will take a plus b plus 2, a is minus 1, b is minus 1 plus 2. So it is coming equal to 0, equal to right hand side, and hence proved. Next question number 33. If p power minus 1 q power 2 divided by p power 2 q power minus 4 whole to the power 7 divided by p power 3 q power minus 5 divided by p power minus 2 q power 3 and whole to the power minus 5, which is equal to p to the power x q to the power y. So first, with the help of this given condition, we will find out the value of x and y, then we will find out the value of x plus y. So we have p to the power minus 1 q to the power 2 divided by p to the power 2 q to the power minus 4 whole to the power 7, and this is p to the power 3 q power minus 5 p power minus 2 q power 3 whole to the power minus 5 equal to p power x and q power y. So first here p we will take together. Here it is p to the power minus 1 minus 2. When you will take this 2 up, it will become minus q power 2, and this minus 4 when you will take up, it will become plus. This p power 3 plus 2, this minus 2 after taking up, it will become plus q power minus 5 minus 3 whole power minus 5. This is p power minus 3 q power 6 whole power 7. p power 5 q power minus 8 whole power minus 5. Power to the power means we have to multiply. So this will be 3 into 7, p power minus 21, q power 42, p power minus 25 and q power 40 equal to p power x q power y. Again division means power we have to subtract for same base. This will be p power minus 21 minus 25 and q power 42 minus 40. So this will become plus, minus will become plus, minus 21 plus 25 q power 2 p power x and p q power y. Here we will get 4, p to the power 4 q to the power 2 equal to p to the power x and q to the power y. So after comparison we are getting here x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 2. Now we have to find out the value of x plus y. So x plus y will be 4 plus 2 equal to 6. Question number 34, solve the following equation for x. First part, 5 to the power 2x plus 3 equal to 1. So we have to compare her left side and right side. First we have to make the base same and then we will do the comparison and we will find out the value of x. So here we left side we have 5 to the power 2x plus 3. This one also we have to change into the 5 base. So we know one value will be equal to 5 to the power 0. Any power 0 is equal to 1. So because we have here 5 base, so this side also we will take 5 base. Now we can compare the power. Comparing powers, so we got 2x plus 3 equal to 0, 2x equal to minus 3 and x value will be minus 3 by 2. Second part, 13 to the power root x equal to 4 to the power 4 minus 3 to the power 4 minus 6. So this we will keep as it is. 4 to the power 4 means 4 into 4 into 4 into 4, which we will get 256, and 3 to the power 4 means 81 minus 6. So 256 minus 81 minus 6 we will get 169, which we can write as 13 to the power 2. So now we can compare the power, base is same, therefore root x is equal to 2. Root x means we can write it as x to the power half equal to 2, or x is equal to 2 square. This half when we will shift another side it will be square. So x is equal to 4. Third part, root of 3 by 5 power x plus 1 equal to 125 by 27. So this 3 by 5 root means 1 power 1 by 2 whole to the power x plus 1. This we can write as 5 by 3 to the power 3. Here 3 by 5 to the power x plus 1 by 2. By 2 we can write like this. This side also we will change it. We will write it as 5 by 3 to the power minus 3 by 5 to the power minus 3. We will make base same. Then only we can do the comparison left side and right side. So for that we will reciprocal it. We will make it 3 by 5. Now we can compare the power. Therefore x plus 1 by 2 is equal to minus 3. X plus 1 equal to minus 6, 2 will go for multiplication, x equal to minus 6 minus 1, x value will be minus 7. Fourth part, cube root of 4 whole power 2x plus 1 by 2 equal to 1 by 32. So 4 we can write it as 4 to the power 1 by 3 whole to the power 2x plus 1 by 2. Cube root means 1 by 3. 32 we can write as 2 to the power 5. Now this 4 also we will shift as 2 to the power 2 we can write it as 2 to the power 2. This is 1 by 3 and whole power 2x plus 1 by 2, and this 2 to the power minus 5. We will shift it up, so base will become same. This will be 2 to the power 2 by 3 and 2x plus 1 by 2 equal to 2 to the power minus 5. We can compare power now. 2 by 3, 2x plus 1 by 2 equal to 2 to the power equal to minus 5. Only power we have to compare. So this 3 we can shift that side and 2 we can multiply inside. 4x plus 2 by 2 means 1 equal to minus 15. 3 will go for multiplication. So 4x equal to minus 15 minus 1. 4x equal to minus 16. X equal to minus 16 by 4 means minus 4. Question number 35. Solve for x. Root of pq equal to q by p power 1 minus 2x. So this we can write as p by q to the power half. Root means power half. This also we will make p by q and will change the symbol here. It will become minus 1 plus 2x. Now we can compare the power. 1 by 2 is equal to minus 1 plus 2x. This 2 shift another side. It will go for multiplication. So 1 equal to minus 2 plus 4x, or you can write 1 plus 2 is equal to 4x. 4x is equal to 3. X is equal to 3 by 4. Second part, 4 to the power x minus 1 into 0.5 to the power 3 minus 2x is equal to 1 by 8 to the power x. Everything we will change into the same base. 4 we can write as 2 to the power 2 power x minus 1. 0.5 we can write as 5 by 10 power 3 minus 2x. So this you can cancel out 2 times. This we can write 2 to the power 3 whole to the power x. 2 to the power 2x minus 2. This 2 you can write as 2 to the power minus 3 plus 2x. When you will shift it up, then this power symbol you have to change. Same thing here, you can write 2 to the power minus 3 whole power x. So 2 to the power 2x minus 2. Now this is in multiplication, we can take it together, minus 3 plus 2x, and this side 2 to the power minus 3x. 2x plus 2x means 4x, minus 2 minus 3 minus 5 equal to minus 3x. So power we can compare now. Comparing power, we will get 4x minus 5 is equal to minus 3x. 4x plus 3x is equal to 5, and 7x is equal to 5, or x value will be 5 by 7. Question number 36. If 5 to the power 3x equal to 125 and 10 to the power y is equal to 0.001, find the value of x and y. So first we will take it 5 to the power 3x equal to 125. It means 5 to the power 3x is equal to 5 to the power 3. 125 we can write as 5 to the power 3. So from here we are getting 3x equal to 3. X equal to 3 by 3 means 1. X value is 1. From second one, 10 to the power y is equal to 0.001, which you can write as 1 by 1000. And 1 by 1000 means 1000 you can write as 10 to the power 3. When you will shift it up, it will become minus 3. So y value will be minus 3. Question number 37. If 9 to the power n, 3 to the power 2, 3 to the power n minus 27 to the power n divided by 3 to the power m into 2 to the power 3 is equal to 1 by 27, prove that m is equal to 1 minus n. So whatever is given, we will start from that. So 9 to the power n, 3 to the power 2, 3 to the power n minus 27 to the power n divided by 3 to the power 3m, 2 to the power 3 equal to 1 by 27. So first we will change everything into the same power. 9 we can write as 3 to the power 2 power n, 3 to the power 2, 3 to the power n. 27 we can write as 3 to the power 3 whole power n, 3 to the power 3m, and 2 to the power 3 equal to 1 by 3 to the power 3. This we can write as 3 to the power 2n, 3 to the power 2, 3 to the power n minus 3 to the power 3n divided by 3 to the power 3m into 2 to the power 3 equal to 3 to the power minus 3. This we will shift it up. Now these power we can write it together, 2n plus n, it will become 3n. So 3 to the power 3n, 3 to the power 2 minus 3 to the power 3n divided by 3 to the power 3m into 2 to the power 3 equal to 3 to the power minus 3. 3n, this power we can take out common. 3 to the power 3n we have taken out common. Inside we have 3 to the power 2 from here and from here 1. 2 to the power 3 we can write as 8. 3 to the power 2 means 9 minus 1, which will come 8, and we can cancel it out. It will cancel out, and this we can write 3 to the power 3n minus 3m equal to 3 to the power minus 3. Base is same. Now we can compare power. We are getting here 3n minus 3m equal to minus 3. So 3 we can take out common, n minus m equal to minus 3, n minus m equal to minus 1, or minus 1 we will shift here, n plus 1 equal to m, and this only we have to prove. Question number 38. If 3 to the power 4x is equal to 81 to the power minus 1 and 10 to the power 1 by y is equal to 0.0001, then we have to find the value of x and y, and then 2 to the power minus x and 16 to the power y value we have to find out. So first we will change into the same base and compare the power. 3 to the power 4x and 81 we can write as 3 to the power 4 whole to the power minus 1. 3 to the power 4x is equal to 3 to the power minus 4. It means 4x is equal to minus 4 and x value will be minus 1. Now this side 10 to the power 1 by y, this we can write as 1 by 10,000. 4 decimals are there, in denominator 4 zeros will come. 10 to the power 1 by y is equal to 1 by 10 to the power 4, which we can write as 10 to the power minus 4. It means 1 by y is equal to minus 4, or y is equal to minus 1 by 4. After getting x and y value, you can substitute here. We have to find out 2 to the power minus x, 16 to the power y, means 2 to the power minus 1, 16 to the power minus 1 by 4. It will become 2 to the power 1. 16 we can write 2 to the power 4 whole to the power 1 by 4. 4 to 4 we can cancel. 2 into 2 to the power minus 1, or 2 into 1 by 2, it will cancel out. Answer will be 1. Next question number 39. If 3 to the power x plus 1 is equal to 9 to the power x minus 2, find the value of 2 to the power 1 plus x. So first we will compare these two. 3 to the power x plus 1, 9 to the power x minus 2. So 9 we can write as 3 to the power 2 whole to the power x minus 2, or 3 to the power x plus 1 is equal to 3 to the power 2x minus 4. this to multiply inside. Now you can compare the power. X plus 1 is equal to 2x minus 4, or x minus 2x is equal to minus 4 minus 1, and minus x is equal to minus 5. X value will be 5. We have to find out now this value. So therefore 2 to the power 1 plus x is equal to 2 to the power 5. 1 plus 5 means 2 to the power 6. 2 to the power 6 is equal to 64. Next, question number 40, first part. 3 into 2 to the power x plus 1 minus 2 to the power x plus 2 plus 5 equal to 0. So this first will multiply, it will become 3 into 2 to the power x plus 3. Then this we can write as 2 to the power x into 2 to the power 2 plus 5 equal to 0. Addition means these are in multiplication. So 3 into 2 to the power x, 3 plus 5 will become 8, and 2 to the power 2 means 4 into 2 to the power x equal to 0. So 3 2 to the power x minus 4 2 to the power x, which we can write as 2 to the power x 3 minus 4 plus 8 equal to 0. So means minus 1 we will get here, minus 2 to the power x plus 8 equal to 0, or 8 is equal to 2 to the power x. 8 we can write as 2 to the power 3 equal to 2 to the power x. Therefore x value is equal to 3. Next, second part of question number 40. 3 to the power x is equal to 9, 3 to the power y, and 8 into 2 to the power y is equal to 4 to the power x. So here this is 3 to the power x, 9 we can write as 3 to the power 2 into 3 to the power y, or 3 to the power x is equal to 3 to the power 2 plus y. So if we compare the power, we are getting here x is equal to 2 plus y, or we can write it as x minus y is equal to 2. Now we will solve this one. 8 we can write as 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power y, and 4 we can write as 2 to the power 2 whole to the power x. So 2 to the power 3 plus y equal to 2 to the power 2x. So here if we compare the power, we are getting 3 plus y equal to 2x, or we can write it as 2x minus y equal to 3. So this we have one equation, another equation is this one. We can solve these two equations. X minus y is equal to 2 and 2x minus y equal to 3. 1 and 2 equation. These two equation if we subtract, in that case change the symbol. So 2x minus 1 minus 2x means minus x, y minus y it will cancel out, 2 minus 3 is minus 1, it means x value is 1. Now x value you can substitute in any one equation. So from equation 1 we have x minus y equal to 2. So x value is 1, 1 minus y is 2, it means minus y will be 2 minus 1 equal to 1, or y value will be minus 1. So we got here x is 1 and y is minus 1. So this exercise has completed. Hope you understood all these questions. Thank you for watching this video.